Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are drawing 2D shapes. So let's start drawing 2D shapes. All you need is a paper and a marker. So we have black color,
twinkle, twinkle, little star, how
octagon. This is octagon, 8 sides. Let's draw another shape.
World so high, like
Triangle, 3 sides.
in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
Circle,
little star, how I wonder what you are.
hexagon, 6 sides.
When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing
This is a
shines
star.
upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle,
Semicircle.
all the night.
Wow, we have just drawn 2D shapes. Let's color these shapes. What is this? Hey, what's this color? Can you name this color? Yes, orange color. Let's color the octagon.
Diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Octagon, orange color,
Is your
octagon.
bright and tiny
Yellow color.
spark, lights the traveler in
Let-
the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
We have just colored hexagon.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Sky blue color. Let's color the triangle. Brown color. Brown color star. Purple color. This is purple color circle. Wow, we have just done coloring all the 2D shapes. Let's revise. Octagon, triangle, circle, hexagon, star, semicircle. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.